Congratulations, you got your first drone. What now? Hi, Scott with Gomi OG Drones, here to talk about what you need to do prior to taking that first flight with your first drone. As recreational drone pilots, we're required to complete the Trust Certificate program. That will cover you up to 250-gram drones. However, if you get a drone that weighs more than 250 grams, such as the Air 3S or the Avata 2, you will also need to go online to the FAA website and register as a drone pilot and list all of the drones that you have over 250 grams. We're not done yet. You also need to mark each of your drones with your FAA registration number. You can see here I have a label. I know many people that take a Sharpie and they'll just write that registration number right on the drone body itself along with their phone number. And if you want to fly at night, you'll notice I have an anti-collision light Velcro to the top of this drone, and that must be working in order to fly at night. Many drones come with an underbelly landing area light that does not meet the requirements. You must have an anti-collision light. I will put the links of the locations to go to get your trust certificate and your FAA registration, as well as the drone anti-collision light. I'll also include the link where to get free stickers to label your drones. After that, happy flying. Till the next time, thanks for watching.